If you want to stop automatic renewals for your Wix domain, follow these simple steps to manage your domain settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Wix account. Visit the Wix website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account that holds the domain you wish to manage. Step 2. Access the domains section. Once logged in, navigate to the domain section of your account. This can usually be found in the dashboard or under the Manage menu. Step 3. Select your domain. In the domains section, locate the specific domain for which you want to disable automatic renewal. Click on it to access its settings. Step 4. Manage renewal settings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling automatic renewal, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily manage your Wix domain renewal preferences. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Wix support for assistance.